You see a police, open the door.
My girlfriend's just,
Step here.
she's going crazy,
Over
man.
here. Come here.
Throwing shit around.
Go sit down. That black chair.
Okay.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sorry.
I'm trying.
We were just having an argument.
She's going crazy, man. Throwing all my stuff.
Stop.
I told her to leave. She wouldn't. I'm not gonna put my hands on her.
Hold on for 1 second. Let us figure out. Is anybody hurt?
No.
Okay.
Just
We'll get her inside.
Yeah, come on here, man. You have ID on you?
No.
Alright, we'll
Just come on here. I'll get it from you in a second. We'll go first. Alright. Talk to me. What's going on?
I'm gonna be honest. She was going through my phone when I was sleeping. Saw a lot of other girls I was texting.
Okay.
Started going ballistic. My room's destroyed. Smashing things. Throwing my bed apart. I was just like obviously like I cheated on my girlfriend like this, that, and the third, but like, and I'm not gonna put my hands on her, you know, to like remove her or anything like that. So that's what's going on right now. She's just destroying my room because other girls are on my phone.
Did she hit you?
Did she hit me? I don't want anything on her at all. No violence whatsoever happened. Just screaming. Just smashing stuff in my room.
Okay.
That's not a, like she threw my phone, you know,
Okay.
like it's, you know what I'm saying, but like that's fixable. Like
Okay.
I didn't put my hands on her. I mean, I might look kind of red. She didn't hit me.
Okay.
Just
Right, red.
Why am I red?
Mm-hmm.
She didn't hit me. She didn't hit me. She didn't hit me.
Okay. So what happened? Tell me everything that happened from start to
Well,
finish.
she just like, you know, found my phone, you know, threw it, started throwing her shit everywhere,
Okay.
started like just breaking my stuff, like, why would you do this, why would you, and then I tell her, I'm like, honestly, I think you should just leave, like, I'll just take you home, like, and she wouldn't leave, I'm not gonna put my hands on her and forcibly remove her, like, that's against the law, you know what I mean, like, but she did not touch me at all. It was just yelling.
She didn't touch you at all?
She did not touch me at all, officer. She did not touch me at all. There was no violence whatsoever.
So those red marks were from?
I have a skin thing,
Okay.
officer. Yeah.
Like when you're stressed and stuff? Or how does it work?
Like I just have a skin. I just have a skin thing. She didn't put her hands on me
Okay.
at all. It's just, you know, she was going through my phone and she just started going crazy.
And she saw that you had texted her?
Yeah, that's all it is. There's no fighting or anything. I really don't want her to be in any type of trouble or anything.
Okay, no, I understand that. Is this like a thing that happens often between you two?
No. Like I don't, you know what I'm saying? Like I just trying to tell her like, let me just drive you home.
Mm-hmm.
Like there's been no violence, nothing. She just kind of like, you know, started destroying things in my room.
Okay.
And like I'm actually out on bail right now. So like I don't need this like.
You're out on bail?
I'm out on bail actually, yes. But like she was just going through my phone while I was asleep. I wake up to her throwing my phone. Like I've been trying to stay out of trouble. Like I didn't know she was gonna go through my phone and react to that to like other girls texting me.
You just stand up against the wall right there.
Yeah, I'm sorry about it.
What are you on bail for?
Possession of cocaine.
Okay.
I was coming back from the club. I had a little bit in my pocket.
Okay.
So that's why I've really just been trying to not go out at night.
Mm-hmm.
You know, just chill with my girlfriend here. And,
I get it.
you know, she went through my phone.
When were you arrested?
Huh?
When were you arrested?
Just maybe I don't think about it. Yeah, like my phone now is just kind of.
Was it us or was it Orange County or was it here at UCF?
It was Seminole County.
Alright. Okay.
Yes. Like I mean, my phone's. I mean, at least it works. I don't want to press charges on
I was going to ask you that. You want to press charges for anything that's broken inside your apartment?
No, I don't want to press charges.
So you woke up and she was going through your phone, or she woke you up after she saw everything? How did it work?
Like she woke me up after she saw everything and started freaking me out.
You guys argue a lot?
No. This has never happened before.
Okay.
But I haven't even cheated on her. They were just like, just texting me. You know, it's just one of those things. Like, I just don't. Yeah, man, I'm out on bail too. It's just like.
No, I get it.
It's just.
You got some red marks on your neck. How'd you get red marks on your neck?
I do have eczema.
Okay. Yeah, but like I'm looking at like this part over here. It looks,
She didn't assault me or hit me.
she didn't hit you or anything? Okay.
And I would never put my hands on her. Me and Trevor were trying to find a way to like, to just get her out, you know, but like, I'm not gonna put my hands on her and like physically like drag her out, like.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that's like battery.
All right, so I'm gonna ask you a question. I want you to be honest with me.
Yes.
When was the last time you used drugs? Because I hear, let me tell you why. Your pupils are huge. Hugely dilated.
I smoke marijuana every single day.
Okay, cool. But when was the last time you used drugs? Because I mean, I'm talking about like the last
Probably last night,
hour,
like,
2 hours.
Probably like last night at like midnight. I smoked marijuana.
Was that
I have a medicinal card, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
because your pupils are like huge.
Probably like midnight.
Like they're a lot bigger than.
Well, that's what I did. That's what I did at midnight. I smoked some marijuana.
Anything else?
No, just marijuana. I have my medicinal card. I go to the dispensaries. I have a physician.
Okay, what kind of do you get?
Everything for that. I get really high too.
Okay, sativa.
Yeah, sativa.
Okay,
And the cartridges. I think I have one that's like 90%.
90% sativa.
You know.
Oils.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's all legal. I like to do things, you know,
That's fine.
the legal way. I don't.
Okay.
Yeah, this is just the craziest thing to happen to me at like 3 in the morning, to just wake up to her, like, you know, throwing my phone across the room, throwing my little cat around, just like.
Now, when we got, what do you mean she threw your cat around? I don't care that there's an animal, but what do you mean? Is the cat okay?
The cat's fine.
How did she throw the cat around?
She just threw him off the bed.
Okay.
And then took my like bed comforter and like threw it into the toilet, like just going absolutely crazy.
Okay, and you're saying that she never put her hands on you?
She never put her hands on me.
Okay, because I'll be honest, she's telling us something different. So I'm just trying to find out the truth, because somebody's lying.
She said she hit me.
Said you guys were wrestling around, yeah. So somebody's not telling me the truth, and I just need to know what's
I don't want to get her in trouble.
Bro, we're past that point. So just be honest. Don't try to. You need to tell us the truth.
I mean, yeah, she was slapping me around, and you know.
Why was she slapping you around?
Because I was telling her to leave,
Okay.
and she wouldn't leave. Because my roommates all came over, and they were like, she's got to go, and she's like trying to hit me and stuff, and I'm like.
Was she hitting you because you had her phone?
What, her phone? She had already destroyed everything. She just started rampaging.
Okay.
And I kept telling her, I'm not gonna hit you. Like she'd stand in front of me like this. She'd be like, hit me then. And I'm like, I'm not gonna put my hands on you. Like I'm not putting my hands on you.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like I make that very clear. Like, but like there's no other. Like what choice do I have? I can't like just drag her out and throw her out the door. Like that's a battery.
So she was refusing to leave.
She was refusing to leave, and I just kept begging her. I was like, please leave. Like, I don't, like, the cops are going to get called. Like, you're being very loud, you're screaming.
And she was banging on your chest and hitting your chest. And you don't know why she was banging and hitting your chest. Just because she was going crazy?
Banging my chest?
Like hitting you, like clawing at you. She was just going crazy.
Yeah.
Right?
I really don't want anything to happen to her. Like, I really don't. Like, I just.
So I'm assuming you don't want to press any charges, correct?
I'm not pressing any charges on
Okay.
her.
And you don't want to probably give me a written statement, right?
She's not pressing any charges on me, right?
No, she's not pressing any charges.
Yeah,
you guys have been together for how many months? Okay, cool. Just hang tight real
and
quick.
I'm not, and for like the phone of mine, she wrote like, I don't want to press charges for that.
How did she had her phone in here? Okay, all right. Hang tight for me real quick. All right, we got it worked out. Okay. What was your name again?
Brandon.
Brandon. All right, Brandon. Do me a favor, man. Turn around.
What?
Because you're under arrest for.
For what? For what?
You're under arrest for battery.
Do not move.
For what?
Stop!
Stop! You're gonna get tased! Stop, please! Stop! Those are 25. I lost my building 16.
Stop or you will be tased. I will tase you. Get on the ground right now. On the ground or I will tase you. On the ground Put your stomach on the ground. On the ground. On the ground. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you. Put your stomach on the ground.
What am I under arrest?
On the ground!
What am I under arrest for?
Girl, I'm gonna tase you. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the fucking ground. Do you understand me? Do you fucking understand?
Get your hands out. Okay, can you please
Stop. Stop.
Can you please put my car keys?
I got you.
What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for?
428. Yeah, full motion tunnel.
I want to see a lawyer. I want to talk to my lawyer.
One secure.
Can you send out
Hey,
your
she's in there alone. Right at a bolt.
I need another unit. 256. All set.
What am I under arrest for? Battery?
We just had a resisting charge, bud, so there you go.
Bro, where
I
you going?
didn't hit anybody. I didn't hit anybody.
Then why'd you run, bro?
Because I don't want to go to jail because I'm scared.
Too bad.
Please don't have the resisting.
Too bad. You chose that life, bro.
Please. I didn't hit anybody. I didn't hit anybody. I didn't. I really didn't. You can ask the roommates in there. I did not hit her.
Get on your knees.
I can't. Can I sit up so I can get up? Like,
Yeah, so we're trying to do.
I'm so sorry for running. Please.
You passed that point.
Can I play?
No.
Can I please talk to you,
No.
man? I did not touch her, man.
No.
I'm serious. Ma'am, you see the white Volkswagen? Can you please just put my phone and the keys
No, it's wrong with you, bro.
in that white Volkswagen?
No, what's wrong with you?
Huh?
I'll grab your phone.
Thanks.
Please. Please. I did not hit her. What gives you the grounds that I hit her? I didn't. I didn't. Like, what gives you the grounds? For real. Is she going to jail too? Because she hit me? Sir, what am I being arrested for? I just want to know.
He told you already.
I didn't get to hear it clearly.
Battery, domestic violence, and resisting.
On who?
Get in the car.
On who?
Get in the car.
On who? On who?
Put your legs in the car.
On who?
Put your legs in the car.
On who? On who? Officer, I didn't hit
Stay right
anybody.
there. Lean back.
Okay.
the
Officer,
left.
I didn't hit anyone.
Look to the left.
Why can't you talk to me like a human
I'm going to
being?
talk to you in a second when your seatbelt's on.
Okay. Why can't you talk to me?
Why are your hands in front of you?
That's how they did it.
No, we didn't.
Well, then take them off and do it again. That's how they were. I don't.
Lean back.
Can you please talk to me like a human being? I did not put my hands on her.
He moved his hands to the front. In the car.
No, clear it up. John, the probes didn't hit him, correct?
I'm going to ask him in a second. But
Okay.
he just moved his cuffs to the front.
All right, we're gonna.
They moved it to the
looks
front?
like
Yep,
we
he
put
did.
a-
All right, hold on. Let me put my gloves on. We'll take care of
Officer,
it. Get
I'm not interested in this
Lean back.
talk.
Lean back.
I just want to.
No, we're done. Stop.
Officer, I promise you
No.
I did not hit her. I was trying to remove
Too
her
late.
out of my house
Too late.
without violence.
Yeah, the car.
I was trying to remove
Turn
her.
around.
Hold on, come again.
My back for running. I did not mean to. I'm so
Stay against the
sorry.
car.
I'm
If
scared.
you move,
I'm
listen to me.
scared.
If
I
you move, you're
understand.
getting
I
tased.
understand.
Do you understand me?
I understand
If
everything.
you
I
move,
will
you are
listen to you.
going to get
I will
tased.
listen to you. I'm sorry for running. That was so stupid.
Don't.
He's grabbing me to
I
take him off.
understand.
I'm not moving. I promise. Officer.
Don't.
I'm so
Don't
sorry
stop.
for running. It's like,
Stop tensing your arm.
I'm sorry. I'm really
You
trying.
relax your arm right now.
I'm trying. I'm honestly trying. You're kind of holding me kind of tight.
I understand
I'm
that.
really trying. I'm really
Let him move his left arm to the back.
Can we please have a...
No, you're done.
I didn't
You were
touch
under
her.
arrest for battery, dating violence,
How's
criminal
that
mischief,
dating violence?
criminal
She
mischief,
wouldn't. I was trying to peacefully.
and resisting without violence.
Can you get my roommate, please?
No.
We were peacefully trying to get her to leave, and she was attacking me. How was that my fault? I was being peaceful as I could. I have a video on my phone. I have a video on my phone of me saying, "I'm not going to hit you. You have to stop this."
All right.
Why
If you
y'all
move
not-
these cuffs to the front of your body again, there's going to be serious problems. You understand?
I'm sorry.
Do you understand?
I understand. Look.
Done.
Sit in the car.
Get in the car. Sit down. Kick your feet in.
Why can't you
Put
talk?
his bell on, Frank.
I don't know your name. Just got here from back.
I have water.
Lean back.
Lean back.
Please.
Yeah, we're past this point, okay?
I just don't understand how am I getting a battery charge when I didn't hit anybody for cocaine and
Sit back and put your seatbelt. Don't move that
Yes,
seatbelt
sir.
again. You understand me?
I'm talking to this officer, sir. I was like,
Oh my god. Can I please say bye to Brandon, please?
No.
Please, it won't be violent, please, because I love him no matter what. Can I? Please.
Yeah, just real
Please,
quick.
Mama, please, can I say bye to, I mean,
Just face
ma'am.
the car, just face the car,
Ma'am,
okay?
please,
I know we just put these pants on.
Can I please say bye to him? Can I get my phone to get my contacts at least?
Is it broken completely? Where's the rest of the
Oh,
phone?
fuck.
That's the problem.
Fuck. Can I get
That's
my number from his phone?
What number do you need from his phone?
His phone, because he's going to get out tomorrow, and
His
I'm going to
number?
be here for 30 days.
You're not going to be able to have contact with him because it's domestic.
Delta 21.
Serious?
How old are
Yeah.
you?
I'm 19.
In the end, both individuals were transported to the Orange County Jail. The boyfriend was charged with battery, dating violence, 2 counts of resisting an officer without violence, and bribery.